cool breeze right there. I could just drop 5 degrees. Hey. Oh, look at this place, man. Sorry, g'day, Hatsui here. Just want to talk about something about motorcycle parking. I mean, all you motorbike riders out there, do you just park in sensible places? There's so many places we could be parking and not be in the way. I'm just concerned that if I park in a place that I'm not meant to, I'm going to get a ticket. I mean, look at all this space right here. Why can I not park there or there? Why don't they have a sign that says motorcycle parking right here? I mean, it would make sense. Or how about right there? That'd make sense, wouldn't it? Or there, or there. It's just crazy, man. Why not there? Right here. Where is the motorcycle parking? Do they even have it? Look at all these spaces you could be utilising.